In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename files in OneDrive. This is a handy skill to have, especially when you need to keep your digital life organized, whether for work or personal use. Let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your OneDrive account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the OneDrive website. Once you're there, enter your credentials to access your files. Now, you should see your main dashboard, which usually features a navigation pane on the left and a larger section on the right, displaying all your stored files and folders. In order to rename any file, start by heading over to the My Files section. You can find this easily on the left side of the screen in the navigation panel. The My Files section houses all the files you've saved or uploaded to OneDrive, and it acts as your primary area for managing these files. Once you click My Files, your list of documents should pop up on the main part of the screen. Next, locate the file you want to rename. This can be done by scrolling through your list or using the search bar at the top to find it quickly. When you've found the file, hover over it. You'll see three small dots, known as a context menu, usually displayed at the far right end of the file name line. Click on these three dots to reveal a list of possible actions you can take with your file. Upon clicking the three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the Rename option here. It should be one of the choices listed. Selecting Rename will activate a field around your file's current name, allowing you to edit it as needed. Now, type in the new name you'd like your file to have. Be sure that your new name is not only easy to remember, but also reflects the contents of the file for clearer organization. Once you've finished typing the desired name, hit enter on your keyboard or click anywhere outside the text field to save the change. And that's it! Your file has now been successfully renamed. It's important to remember that organizing your files with meaningful names can greatly enhance your workflow efficiency and keep your digital space tidy. Don't forget to repeat this process for any other files you wish to rename. Regularly updating file names ensures that you can swiftly locate what you need in the future. If you experience any issues, refreshing the page can often help, or alternatively, check your internet connection as OneDrive relies on a stable connection. Before we wrap up, keep in mind that this process applies whether you're using OneDrive on a browser or through an app, although the interface might slightly vary. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and now you can confidently rename files in OneDrive with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.